I was not very familiar with coding and all. So they told that you don't need to worry, we will train you from zero to hero. After failing 4 to 6 attempts, I got selected at Introduce Bangalore. So in fact, I want to tell that if I can do, then all can do. It's just the hard work behind that. Don't lose hope.
Hi everyone, welcome to the series Edyoda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. Today we have a special guest here with us, which is Smita. I would like to first congratulate her for getting placed, and also I would like to thank her for taking the time out from her busy schedule and sharing her story here with all of us. So welcome, Smita.
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you very much.
So Smita, can you tell us which company have you got placed in?
Yes, recently I have got placed in Introduce Group at Bangalore, and currently I'm at Bangalore working. Since 2 months I'm working at Bangalore.
Okay, and what is the job role?
Actually, it is IT support.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
And what was your family's reaction when they came to know that you have got placed?
Actually, telling about my background, I am from engineering background only. I was not very familiar with coding and all. Main drawback it was I have 2 years gap in engineering, so I was not able to clear the placements. Once while scoring down Instagram, I have came to know about the Eduda placements that they are offering 5 certificates course. So it's just a lockdown period. So I was not having placements. My all colleagues were doing job and I was still at home. So just I called them and just have got a call back. Then one of them Eduda member has cleared all about it. Then I have told that my criteria is not about 75% and I have 2 years gap. So they told that you don't need to worry. We will train you from zero to hero. I was not literally knowing how to type a hello word also in Java. So they have taken first my test. On that, I have got my scholarship. Then I have doing my course. Then it was of 6 month certification course. Then I was doing the 6 month certification course. Then every day the classes will be live. So if you have any doubt sessions, recorded videos still are available in my laptop. So whenever I feel doubt, so I can watch it now also. It's a lifetime access. Mentors were very cooperative. Means whenever we filled out on Saturday, Sunday, there were the doubt sessions. They were clearing all the doubts, and exams also conducted. After then 3 months and 4 months, placements has been started. And within 5 months, I was not placed. So I was worried. Did really I have joined the right classes to shape my future, because no placements were there. Really, I thought, it's a waste of money. Since I have thought one time, when my interview was scheduled, I literally failed 10 interviews at Edota. So personally, mentors guided me. They have taken my mock interviews. Simant has guided me very well. They said that you work from like this, you work like this, you sharpen your skills, do hard work. Literally, after 4 or 5 placements, I got selected at Introduce Bangalore. And I was very shocked. Then I told my parents. Then parents was very happy. Then they said, "Wow, Eduda has get from. You should be happy." Suddenly after that, I came at Bangalore, and now my life is at very peace and happy. So in fact, I want to tell that if I can do, then all can do. It's just the hard work behind that.
Yeah, that's definitely there. So Smita, can you tell us you are from which place, schooling from where did you do?
I belong from Maharashtra, from city Akola. Then I have done my schooling from Akola, from St. Anne's English School, and after that I have done my 12th from RLT College of Science. Then after that I have went to Amravati for engineering. It was of 4 years, but I have taken it 6 years.
Okay.
So that's my. about that.
So after engineering only, directly you joined Edioda?
Yeah, after this was the first and last Edioda. After that, I have not joined.
So can you tell us like how did you actually come to know about Edioda?
Just I have told you before that it was a lockdown period. I have completed my engineering in 2020 only, and 6 months I was just relaxed, chilling because there were no routes to go. Means colleges were from online, all were there. So just I was scrolling Instagram page. So suddenly it has came popped up that in Edioda 5 mega courses, 5 certificate. So that stuck in my mind that wow, it can give 5 certificate course. So I started making it interest. So I have visited the website also, and I have learned all the feedback from this. That all it were positive feedbacks which were given to me that yes, we get 100% placement. So I called them next day. Only one of Edwin mentor has called me, and I am from this background verification. I have 2 year gaps. So he told that you don't need to worry. You will get 100% placement. I have learned from all the basics HTML, CSS, all the JavaScript, HTML. So it makes me interesting, and I thought it was a very great decision to join the Edota.
That's great. So that was the starting part of the journey.
Yes.
Now moving on to how was your schedule at Edioda, like learning phase? How were you actually watching the classes and learning at the same time?
Yeah, actually, this session was very at the right time. Means if anyone is doing his own job or anything, the sessions were after 7 to 9 or 9:30 after evening only. Because if anyone have to do personal work, they can do it from the whole day, and at night only it was of 7 to 9. And on Saturdays and Sundays there were doubt sessions also. If anyone want to join, they will join. Not only on Saturday, Sundays, if a live session is going on and if you're not understanding, you can interrupt in between and the mentors clear the doubt itself also. And not only they give us tasks to perform, to like homework as we say that, to perform, to do coding as well as. So that was a very part of the Educam. Means actually they were looking care of one person. That is. It's a live session. I like it very much. They have their own platforms actually, and the syllabus that they have written in that Eduda, it's very perfect. They also tell us to make a separate notes